Hey guys, welcome back. I want to show you my new hair. I am so over the moon. I've just had 22-inch of Mongolian hair, I-tip extensions. Just to let you know, this video, the video that I filmed for this topic, for the Sylviax jewellery, was filmed yesterday for the Sylviax jewellery unboxing on the 5th of October. And today's the 6th, and today was hair day. And my hairdresser's just left, and I'm just over the moon with it. I had to show you. I am so happy with the hair. I'm just going to back up and show you the back. Here is the hair, guys. I am just over the moon. It is absolutely insane. So soft, so amazing, so thick. It will thicken up even more when I wash it. But guys, I'm just over the moon. I said to my hairdresser today, you've not just done my hair, you've literally fixed me, because I know you guys love my shorter hair, you know, on my other video. I appreciate all the love you gave me, but this hair is me. Long hair has always been me. And I just feel like I'm back to myself. I really, really do. I just wanted to kind of come on, and I hope you're all okay, and let me know what you're all up to. Oh my God, this icy blonde is just everything and more. It's just amazing. And I kind of had wefts for a long time, but this is the hair I always return to. This lasts for about a year. The quality is amazing. It's glossy, shiny. And I'm just over the moon. I really, really, really am. So much better than wefts. So much better than the weave. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. You're going to see me with short hair in a minute. And I'll see you in my next video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to review some amazing jewellery that's been sent to me by Sylviax. Now, Sylviax is a beautiful company, and they specialise in bespoke jewellery and personalised jewellery, and they have been lucky enough, to send me some stuff. The packaging did rip when I got it, so I haven't opened anything, I promise. So we're going to review that with you guys. Now, I know the beginning of this video has got my new hair in it with the long hair, but this is filmed the day before, if you get what I mean. So I've still got this short hair, but obviously when you watch the beginning of the video, you'll see that I've got long hair, which is the hair I've got now going forwards, but not this hair, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is my last day now with my hair like this. I won't be sad to see it go, because it's not, I don't like it. Everyone's been saying how amazing it looks, but I don't really like it. But it's just my personal preference. I like myself with longer hair. But anyway, that is it. You know, I hope you're all okay. I have not done a video in ages, and I've just been so busy with life, just doing things, and, you know, working, and just doing a lot of stuff. So I'm really glad to be here today to catch up with you guys, and to, you know, bring you out this what I'll do is I'll do more of a catch up in the beginning bit of the video with my long hair, with my new hair. So I'm gonna get straight into the jewelry right now. Sorry if I keep touching my hair, but it's kind of like an impulse thing now, because I've got such like messy hair. So I'm gonna just read you about Sylviax. Sounds like a cleaning company. Right, so Sylviax. I'm going to read you out. So they kindly approached me, and they make custom name jewelry, personalized name necklaces and name bracelets, named rings and name earrings. The website is beautiful, and this came from all the way from, was it China? I don't know, but it was kind of far away, but it's an American website. So, you know, my American viewers can really benefit from this. Obviously, you can still order from England if you live in England, which, you know. I'm not returning anything. Sorry, guys. Fucking hell. So yeah, you know, guys, I love HRH Collections so much, and she's my kind of jewelry person that I love to get jewelry from. So this kind of jewelry is different, and I'm so happy. It's all 14K or 18K gold plated, so it's going to be really good quality. It's a China located team, and they want to work with me. So there is going to be a discount code, guys. which I'll have to get from them, and I'll pop it in on the screen or in the description box below. So I'm very excited. By the way, guys, weight loss update. I've lost more weight. I'm so excited. I feel so much better. My face is completely slimmed down now. And yeah, feeling good. So let's get on to the video. Come on. Right. So the first thing I'm going to try, I need to take these earrings off actually because I'm going to be trying some on. Now, I live in these HRH collection earrings, guys. These have been in my ears for almost 2 years. And I can't even tell you how amazing this jewelry. This isn't an HRH collection jewelry plug, but these are insane and amazing, amazing, amazing. I've worn them in nearly every video that I've done. Earrings. Now, these are some personalized earrings. Now, this, what is this? These are 18K gold plated, custom bamboo earrings. Bamboo because it looks like it's bamboo. Now, these are so cool. I just thought, you know what? I don't have any kind of cool, kind of streetwear edgy earrings. Now, I got them personalized to say peace. It could have said anything. I didn't really want my name because it's a bit like weird. And they come in this amazing little gift package here. This little, like, what do you call it? What do you call it? Like a... Yeah. They feel really amazing. The quality is amazing. Oh my God, I'm loving this with the short hair. I think this looks amazing. I'm going to keep them on for the rest of the video. Oh, yes. This is so, wow, I'm in love with this. What do we think? Oh yes, this is so cool. This is so cool. I've always wanted kind of like gangster earrings. Oh my God, love that. So these are amazing. They feel very light. They don't feel very heavy, but you can tell that it's, you know, really good gold plated. And this is 18K, so it's a really good quality. Wow. I'm in love. And it says peace. I don't know if peace is a bit cheesy, is it? Should have been something more like edge. I was going to do like love and hate, but then I thought, will they be able to customise it for both? Do you know what I mean? You know, for different words. I'm in love with that. I love these. They're very cool. They're very fun to, you know, when you go out. Do you know what? I haven't worn any different earrings than other than my HRH ones. It feels really weird. Right, so... the next one I have ordered is this amazing personalised necklace. And I chose the words love. Oh my God, it's beautiful, the quality. Oh my God. Look at that. Can you see, guys? That is beautiful. Wow. I'm very impressed. Let's try this on. Oh my God, this is all tangled though. Oh, I hate it when this happens. Oh, this always happens to my jewellery. Right, guys, I'm back. So I've put the first necklace on and it's absolutely beautiful. It says love. Can you see here, guys? I'm just gonna show you properly. I think it's so stunning. Beautiful little necklace. I'm going to keep everything in this. They also give you these beautiful little boxes. The next one I have is another beautiful box. They sent me 5 things, which is so sweet of them. So we have another necklace. And is this one? This is not. Thank God. This one here is a personalised necklace. Now, I could have had anything. I didn't want my name because it's a bit cheesy. So I've got the word Serenity on here. Can you see, guys? And I thought this was so beautiful. Oh my God. So I really wanted to layer. I wanted this necklace to be long as well, because I don't really have any like really long necklaces. This is the second one. Oh, I love that. Oh my God. The first one is kind of peeping through. There we go. That's the second one. No, there we go. So that is so stunning. I think I actually prefer that one than the other one. I think it's beautiful. I mean, how stunning is that, guys? You can't see the first one. It's really annoying me. There we go. So they also sent me another one. They sent me so many. And do you know what? This is so cool as well. I did go for my name on this one because I thought, do you know what? I don't really have anything that says my name. I didn't want my full name, so I've got the name Fabs, which is my nickname. And it's really tangled, guys. I mean, look, that's not cool. I don't like that. Oh, God. Why do they tangle it like this? I can't even put it on. Guys, this is really tangled. Okay, here we go. So this one's kind of a double necklace, okay? So, there we go. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. This layers. This is a layered necklace here. Oh my God. This could do with going a bit lower, actually. Let me kind of... I'll be back in a second. Oh my God, that looks so fucking sick. Look at that with the love heart as well there. When it's not layered properly, I have to do it in the mirror. I love that. It's kind of the top that I'm wearing today. It's not really doing it justice. Okay, so the next one. These are beautiful, guys. I am so lucky to have received these. Wow. So stunning. Completely stunning. They also come in a little kind of duster, so you can keep your jewellery really clean. Oh my God, this is so cool. Really, really privileged to have got these. And like I said, the delivery time was so fast. To say they came from China. Okay, so the last one, can't remember what I ordered. Oh, it's a ring. Oh, wow. Okay. Yes. Now, I got love on this ring. And it's a very nice chunky ring. Oh my God, that's gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. It's like a butter gold. I love this, but I love this gold, guys. I can also wear it on this finger. Oh my God, guys. By the way, my nails are so fucked. Like, I've had so much kind of treatments on my nails, you know, kind of, I've had acrylics and I've had gels and all that. And my nails are so short now. Like, they're literally just like bending and like cutting off. I don't know what it is. Like I bit like a bit of my nail and it was going right to the top because there's no kind of feeling. Like I don't feel anything on my nails. They've lost all feeling. They're just like a piece of paper. Like I could literally bite them down to here and I won't be able to feel anything because they're so numb and dead. Like it's awful, guys. So I'm literally staying away from the what do you call it, from the acrylics for a long time. So guys, I am done with the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Sylviax, for am I saying it right? Sylviax, yeah, for sending me this beautiful jewelry to review. Oh my God, I'm really, really, really impressed because, you know, I have very high standards because HRH, her jewelry is just out of this world, and this is on par with her stuff, and that is saying something, guys, because I'm very critical of jewelry. And I think this looks so beautiful. The earrings are a lot. I won't be wearing them every day, but they're fun. They're fun to go out in. Sorry I've touched my hair all the way throughout this video. I'm obsessed because it's so short and it's all I ever want to do is like go like that. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Give Sylviax check them out on the fucking hell. check them out online. Thank you for watching my video. I'll put the discount code in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one.